Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So if you guys been wondering why you guys haven't gotten any video, it's because I left my laptop at a TSA checkpoint because we are traveling. But the show must go on, and we're gonna start off with this topic about the robbery in Maypen, and then we're going to continue to the sandals tax fraud scandal. So it says 2 police officers were shot and injured as they attempted to thwart a darling daylight robbery spree that was being committed by heavily armed gunmen in Maypen, Clarendon on Sunday morning. The Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, the information arm of Jamaica Constabulary Force, confirmed the incident. 2 policemen were shot this morning. It's an ongoing situation at this time as police personnel still are on the scene, a representative of the CCU told Loop News reporter Claude Mills. A video showing several spent shells from 12-gauge shotgun and other firearms outside the large Chinese-operated supermarket in Clarendon, capital, has been circulating on social media. So now we're going to get in the whole sandals tax fraud scandal, and it says Jamaican hotel chain Sandals has dismissed a downright false allegation raised in a lawsuit filed in the United States that for decades it secretly pocketed fees collected from guests as local government taxes. Lawyers for the Vitaly Fedman and the American man who filed the lawsuit claimed that current and past customers who stayed at Sandals properties in several Caribbean countries were deceived into paying local government taxes that were quietly retained by the all-inclusive chain for its own use, benefit, and profit. The lawsuit, which seeks at least US $5 million in damages, was filed in Florida federal court on Tuesday by the Miami-based law firm Lipton, Margulis, Alsane, and Winkleman. The allegations have been reported in a number of international publications. Deceptive charges are used to generate extra profit at the expense of guests who are deceived into believing the fees are legitimate charges directly related to Sandals. Taxes to the government, one newspaper reported, citing court documents. But Sandals has signaled that it will be rigorously defend these baseless allegations. Our valued guests have never been unlawfully charged for taxes, and the allegations to the contrary are downright false. Our customers are our top priority, and under no circumstances would we exploit their faith in us, Sandals International SRI said in a statement. Not only do we conduct our business with pricing transparency, we meet all our tax obligations in each of the islands where we call home. We take great pride in being the gold standard in the islands where we operate and have spent close to 4 decades providing guests with the most comprehensive vacation experience, bar none, the hotel chain added. So you're telling me that these allegations are baseless, but a judge in the United States of America thought it had a lot of merit and think that it can go to court. Do you guys remember last year when a lot of those sex scandals, those sex allegations were being thrown around about resorts, and you see how fast those reports went silent? There's no update, and that's what a lot of these big corporations and big resorts do. The allegation comes out, they settle out of court, and then people hear nothing about those cases anymore, because 99% of the time they settle out of court, they have the person that filed the lawsuit to sign a NDA, non-disclosure agreement, so they can't talk about it and they can't go to these hotels again. So that's that. Comment in the comment section and tell me if you guys think that Sandal actually did this Tell me if you think that they deceived their customers into paying extra fees that they didn't need to pay. And also tell me what you guys think about the maypen robbery. 9:15 a.m. is when they choose to rob a supermarket in maypen. So that means to them not afraid of no police, and they outgun the police with the type of weapons that they had. This should be alarming to everybody. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.